Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on Trello. For that, you can see I'm on the dashboard of my Trello account and go to your profile icon at the right side of your Trello surface. Just tap on your account and you will see theme option from here. Click on theme and you will be given three options here. You can either choose light, dark or match browser. So match browser is you can have your theme according to your browser. This way you don't have to frequently your modes or themes here. This way you don't have to mm, this way you don't have to select your themes quite frequently. So we will just go to dark mode from here and then tap on the outside of the surface and reload this tab from here, and as you can see this has gone to a dark mode, but my browser is on actually this black color from here, so you can see this color is appeared. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.